There's a reason this text effect never gets old. Static text kills engagement. In this video, I'm showing you how to make your words bounce, slide, and pop to the beat. No animation experience needed. We're going to start with the glow text effect. Go to the libraries and search for the black background. Add this background to the timeline. Then add a default text to the timeline and stretch it to the 5 seconds mark. Type your desired text in the text box and choose the font, color, and size for it. When you complete the customization of the text, choose an in and out animation for it. I choose Wave 3 animation for this text, and I set a 2.5 seconds duration. The appearance of the text looks small, so I'm going to increase its height. Now I'm going to turn off the uniform scale and increase the scale height. After this, select the background and the text and create a compound clip. Then go to the Effects tab and apply the Edge Glow effect to this compound clip. Set its slider to around 13. I have downloaded an RGB light video from Pixabay. I'm going to use it as an RGB light glow. Place it beneath the compound clip in the effect layer. Cut this video clip from the 5 seconds mark. Now select the compound clip and go to the blend options and select multiply. Next, we have the colorful text effect. Head over to the text tab and click on the text effects. Find multicolor here and click on it. It's going to take you to lots of multicolor options. Scroll it and find your favorite one. When you choose it, click on the plus icon and add it to the timeline. Type your desired text in the text box and customize it. After the customization, apply an appropriate animation to it. I'm choosing a fisheye drop for an animation. I want it to appear slowly, so I'm setting its duration to 1 second. And for out animation, I'm choosing skin up. Let's take a look at this. It looks nice to me. Now we're going to add some sound effects to it. I'm going to search for a glitch sound effect for this animation. Number 3 is outline text effect. Choose a background video first and then add text to the timeline. Type your text in the text box and choose font for it. Afterwards, duplicate the background video and place it right above the text. Select the duplicated video and go to the mask options and choose a brush mask, then highlight the area of the object. The masking process will start, and it's going to take some time. Now duplicate the text and place it on the top of the duplicated video. Go to the stroke option under the Video Basic tab. Check its box and set its thickness to around 7. Change its color to white. Now change the text color from white to green. Then create a compound clip of this duplicated text. After this, head over to Remove BG and choose Color Picker from Chroma Key. Then pick the green color. Now preview the video. The text looks small, so I'm going to increase its scale. Doing the same thing to the main text layer. And there you have it. Add text to the timeline and stretch it to the end of the video. Type your text and choose a font for it. Choose a color for it. I'm choosing a red. Now duplicate the background video. Place it above the text. Now head over to the mask options and choose Brush Mask. Highlight the area from this brush that you want to remove. When you highlight the area, the masking process will start. Now animate the text. Move the playhead a few frames forward and add a transform keyframe. Afterwards, move the playhead again and drag the text upward. The keyframe will be created automatically. And here is the result. Next, we have the staggered text reveal. Add text to the timeline and stretch it to the 5 seconds mark. I'm choosing the Ebrima bold font for my text, and then I'm going to duplicate it 5 times. Now I'm placing my first text at the top center. Similarly, I do the same thing for my other texts. Now I'm going to arrange these texts in this format. After this, place the playhead 10 to 12 frames ahead. Then select all the texts and create a node here. Select the text behind this split and change the color to red. Move the playhead 5 seconds forward and place the second text here. Do the same thing for all other texts. Now create compound clips of all texts. Then head over to the Effects tab and search for the blur effect. Double-click on the first compound clip and drag and drop the blur effect on it. Split this text from 5 seconds. Select the effect behind the node and set its slider to 20. Then select the effect after the node and set its slider to 5. After this, apply this effect to all compound clips. Once you're done, go to the Audio tab and search for the glitch sound. When the animation ends, select all the compound clips after the node point and split and delete them. Go to the libraries and add a black and a white background. Place the white background above on the black background. Hide the white background and then head over to the Text tab and add text between these two backgrounds. Type your text in the text box and choose a font for it. Then decrease its scale a bit and unhide the white background. Now duplicate the text and place it above all the layers. Change the color of duplicate text to black. Now select the white background and head over to the Video Basic tab and turn off Uniform Scale. Decrease the height and width of the background as it covers the text. Now select the white background and duplicated text and create a compound clip. After this, go to the mask options and apply a split mask and rotate it to 90 degrees. Drag this mask towards the left side. Now move the playhead a few frames forwards and add a keyframe here. Then move the playhead again and drag the mask towards the right side. Right-click on the last keyframe and choose Easing. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.